hair. And so Mr. Parker and my dad were both proud of knowing.
In 2002, I'm gonna look over here. In 2002, I was interested in purchasing some of Pharrell Williams's clothes, his attire, from the BBC name brand or ice cream, fashion line, BBC fashion line and ice cream fashion line. I didn't have any money, so I couldn't afford it. Stuff is expensive. I looked on the internet. I found his attire again, and it's still expensive. But I was in Fukuoka, Japan. I think the year was 2015, and I found this t-shirt. It was expensive, but I said, what the hey. It was the very first time that I had come into contact, up close and personal with the clothes. Otherwise, I would have to look on the internet, to see the clothes. So there I was in Fukuoka, Japan. I saw the clothes and I said, hey, I think I'm gonna buy this. It was a $50 t-shirt. And it's a very interesting t-shirt because unbeknownst to me at the time, the shirt, is promoting a record, and it had an interesting sort of idea behind it. The idea being that the album is called Sound of Earth, and the music is being transmitted from aliens, and it's being translated for human ears, so to speak. This is the idea, Sounds of Earth. So yeah, so the t-shirt, I have it right over here. I didn't grab it before starting this this video. I'm gonna have to grab it in a second. But I looked on the internet to find if I could buy it, find where I could buy it again. I couldn't find it anywhere on the internet, but guess who wore the t-shirt on the David Letterman show? And there's an article about that on the internet. None other than, drum roll, Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg wore it. I think the year was 2010. And yeah, so that t-shirt. So it's cool to be in company with, Uncle Snoop, with the dog father. And the t-shirt's right over here. Let me grab the t-shirt. It's a mess. It's been washed so many times, but it's still, you can still tell it is what it is. Bag. Sound of Earth tee. Billionaire Boys Club, size large. Sound of Earth. On the sleeves, it's a short sleeve shirt, and it has these messages on it. It says, wealth is of the heart. Wealth is of the heart and not the pocket. No, wealth is of the heart and mind, not the pocket, not the pocket. So, when I read that, I was like, yeah, that's what's up, because I didn't have it in the pocket. Here we go. On the other sleeve, Billionaire Boys Club. Sound of Earth, a record. On the back, another record. Yeah, so it's been washed. It's in terrible shape. So this is not the best representation of this shirt. All right, look at that. It's all, yeah, that looks like that's like someone's skin with eczema. And then there you go, Sound of Earth. And I've just been wearing it like it's a regular t-shirt. And now that it has this special history, I'm gonna have to put this aside and keep it, in a nicer place, even though it is in rough, very used condition. Peace.